What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to get the full Netflix library and to view shows that are not available in your country. We will do so using a VPN. So as you can see here, that's the movies page that I have. You can see that I have Arabic language movies since my location is in Egypt. And if I open my VPN program, you can see that I'm not connected and my location is set here to Egypt. So let's connect to a German server. So hit Germany and click connect. Of course, you can connect to a server from any country to view the shows and movies available in this specific country. Okay, it's now connected to the German server. Now it detects that my location is Germany. So let's open the page again and see what is the list that we have. Okay, you can see that the list of movies is totally different. And I no longer have the Arabic movies section because it gives me now the movies list that are available in Germany.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.